What we're going to be doing now is measuring the front surface curvature of your eye. This instrument will just shine a light into your eye. It won't puff any air at you. So all you need to do is when you get you lined up is you put your chin here, your forehead nice and tight up against this headrest. So I need to keep your forehead firm. And just keep looking at the inside of the instrument. When I line this up, you'll actually see an image of your own eye, and I need you to look straight ahead at that. You can blink normally, but hold as still as possible throughout the test.
Always clean the instrument before use and either focus the eyepiece or place the eyepiece at your known setting. Make certain the patient is comfortable in the instrument. Raise or lower the table and stand if needed. The forehead rest should be in the middle of the patient's forehead. Unlock the instrument. Move the instrument so that the light is directed on the patient's eye. You may use the alignment pins on the outside of the housing to set the initial height of the instrument, and then move the instrument until you see the Myers reflected off the patient's cornea. Tell the patient to look straight ahead into the instrument. Once you have the instrument aligned, they will be seeing a reflection of their own eye. They should keep looking at that, blink normally, but hold as still as possible. Look into the eyepiece. If you see the 3 circles called Myers, you are set to proceed with the test. If you don't see anything, you should return to aligning the patient and the instrument from the outside. Once you see the Myers, first focus them using the focusing knob. The second step is to position the instrument so the focusing cross is in the middle of the lower right circle. Once the Myers are centered, you lock the instrument to prevent it from moving during the remainder of the test. Remember, if you need to recenter the Myers during the test, you have to unlock the instrument before turning the elevation knob. Keeping one hand on the focusing knob so that you can adjust the focus of the lower right-hand Meyer throughout the test, slightly separate the 2 plus signs between the 2 lower circles. Now, turn the axis grip so that the 2 plus signs are aligned tip to tip. Grasp the horizontal power wheel with your left hand and the focusing knob with your right hand. With your left hand, bring the 2 plus signs together so that there is just 1 plus sign in between the 2 lower circles. You must keep the area of the plus signs in focus at all times. Focus the plus sign with the focusing knob in your right hand. Now place your left hand on the focusing knob and your right hand on the vertical power wheel. With your right hand, bring the 2 minus signs together so that there is just 1 minus sign in between the upper and lower right circles. Again, focusing the area of the minus signs at all times with your left hand. Record the results, horizontal power and location, then vertical power and location.